Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. As you can tell, I'm pretty tired. Just got home from it was close to 600 kilometers. We only stopped twice, an hour each. So we left this morning at about 8 o'clock and it's now about 9 or something like that, and we just got home. It only took 2 hours break, an hour to eat some French fries and another hour to just relax and have a beer. Only one. Oh yeah, X-Lite helmet, X803, very decent. Very quiet on the highway, really loving awesome carbon fiber. Anyway, final talk. This week the Super Adventure is going back to KTM. And I gotta say, look at that. Yeah, it's covered in boogers. So in a second, I'm gonna show you guys some footage we did today. We had some fun, we played a little bit, and I kind of made my decision, and I think I'm gonna sell a GT. I think I had such a blast on this bike, like 600 kilometers in a day, and my ass is like 1, maybe a 2 out of 10. If I did 400 on GT, my ass would be like 11 out of 10, like really burning, like you had something spicy to eat, something like that. Anyway, I really had a blast last 3 weeks with this 2021 Super Adventure R, and yeah, I think I'm gonna buy one for sure. So big thanks to KTM for lending me this bike for the last 3 weeks, and I'm gonna roll some footage, some GoPro footage of today with my friend Mike, you know, crazy one-legged Mike. And here's my buddy Mike. And he took the Superduke R. So I'm gonna show you guys some footage. I'm gonna go home, get some sleep. I'm not really that tired, but it's a really comfy bike. Anyway, enjoy. There you go. I hope you guys enjoyed the view and that video, that ride, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.